How to track progress on Cyberdojo exercises. Keeping track of your coding progress helps you stay organized and motivated. On your Cyberdojo dashboard, check the Exercises tab. Completed exercises are usually marked or moved to a completed section. Open any exercise to see your past solutions, test results, and the date you last worked on it. You can also use the activity or history panel to monitor patterns in your coding performance over time. Review failed tests from previous exercises regularly. It helps identify areas to improve and strengthen your skills. Do you track progress for every exercise or only occasionally? Share about it in the comments below. And that's how you can track progress on Cyberdojo exercises. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.